Folks, in this video we're in a quest to find the true length of a line and its true angle to the vertical plane given the elevation and the plan. So in this case we have the elevation here. Let's call the elevation AB. Elevation AB. Now we have the plan A prime, B prime. So you have to know that these vertices, they are the same edges of the same line, but we are looking for that line. So that is called the true length. And then we are looking for the true angle to the vertical plane. So just like the previous episode, you need to draw perpendiculars to the vertical, because we are looking for the true length of a line. So, and because we are looking for the true angle to the vertical plane, so we just make it on the vertical to calculate the true length. So basically I will join a line to this end, to the end of this line. I will join the end of the line. Since they are the same point, they also coincide vertically. So then I will need to measure I will draw perpendiculars to AB. I'll draw perpendiculars to AB. Just extend the perpendicular line at A, then extend another perpendicular line at B. So then the next step is basically we'll measure the distance from A prime to the XY line, and then we'll cut it off on that perpendicular at A. Here we go. Then also we'll also measure the distance from B to the XY line, which is this, and then we'll also cut it off on that perpendicular at B. So we'll have it here. So then when we join those two intersections at the top, we'll get the true length of the line. This is the true length of the line. And then also when we project this, when we project line AB, so this true line, let's call it CD. This is CD. CD is the true length of the line. When we project CD to the left and project AB to the mid, if we project them, then that angle at which they meet is called the true inclination to the vertical plane. Thanks for watching.